the hell did they manage that? Look at that. Factory defect. Well folks, welcome back to the workshop. Today we're starting off with one we don't get on too often, a wee Metabo drill. This is an SDS drill. Nothing. Nope. Wee kick. Some electrical problem inside. Could be a worn out set of brushes or a broken wire somewhere. Hopefully a simple fix anyway. This is the KHE 2660 Quick. Everything seems intact. Try it again here, just in case it's this knob. That's a bit odd. Brushes are well worn out, but they're not gone completely. Don't think it's a switch. We'll test it anyway. That and the lead. Lead's good. And the switch seems good. Neutral should be just connected direct. Yeah. So unless there's a problem in the field. What happens here? Is it all meant to come out? Yeah. If you're not sure about how Metabo comes apart, think simple. Don't overcomplicate things. So instead of there being catches and latches, or screws holding this all on, nah, let's just press directly into the field. You just have to get it prized out whilst being careful of the brushes. There we go. And I would imagine that's the fault. How the hell did they manage that? Look at that. factory defect. So nothing wrong with the brushes. This is the brush ring that plugs directly into the field. So the power comes in through one lead, into the field, out the other side, into the brush, across, into the other side of the field, round it and back out the other lead. So it's important these are connected on. There's 4 spades on the field. As you can see, this one down on here, it's been crushed because somebody didn't install it correctly. This pin's bent, so it's literally just bent over the end of that spade connector. Now if we're lucky, it should bend back up without breaking. In other words, that was just making contact, being pressed against this end instead of being plugged in. So this might be a very simple fix. Just needs a little bit of straightening. Seem to be going for these things all the time today now. They're great for this because they're totally flat and they close tight. They're great for straightening out these flat pins. Try and get it roughly right. That's not bad. Let's see if that'll go back in now. Just make sure this time it goes into the right place. You don't see it often, but you still do get the odd factory fault from every brand, even Metabo. Push that on. It is actually hard to tell when you are putting it on if it's gone wrong or not. Completely covered, you can't see anything. All you can do is test it. Of course, if it was pushing against the side and making contact, it will run till it eventually wears out like that and starts stopping. But I think this time it should be good. Now, does it run any better now? And how long has it been going around with that problem? 2018. So that's 7 years old, and it's only presenting with it now. It's a bad mistake, but not too bad when it lasted that long anyway. Bit of a flash in reverse, but that's generally because they're always going forward anyway, never going in reverse. That's her. One Metabo KHE 2660 quick with a badly connected field due to a factory fault or assembly problem. fixed up again. Simply removing the brush holder, fixing the contacts, reassembling it correctly. That's her.